How to use Monday.com for video production companies. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use Monday.com for video production companies. So if you have a video production house and you need an amazing web application that can cater all your needs, then look no further because Monday.com is right here to help you. So the first thing that you need to do in order for that thing to happen is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, we can see that you will be redirected here on this home page and there are multiple boards that you're working on. But you need to click on this plus icon right here and click on boards and then click on start with template. Now, once when you're here, what you need to do is you need to type, video production house or video production management, video production management, and it will be right here. So you can see from the template how beautifully Monday.com would arrange all your video production management needs. You can see from the screenshots right here. And the beauty about Monday.com is that the templates it gives you, it can be integrated easily with all the famous web applications that are available on the internet. For example, this can be integrated with your Gmail, your Zoom, your Dropbox, your Slack, and all the other things like Google Drive and your Google Calendar as well. So this is the beauty of this template. And we can click on use template and then Monday.com is going to do a beautiful job for us by creating this custom template for us. So we don't have to create anything at all from the scratch. So let's just see. So you can see here it is. Here's the main board. And let's delete this one because it's none of our use. So you can see this is the main board. And here we have incoming video request. These are the videos that you're working currently. And these are the videos you're done with. And these are the videos that are struck. So you can assign a lead to each video lead. And this is the client requested by probably this is the client and this is the request date and this is the client company. This is the priority. This is the release date. And this is a bit brief on the type of video that you'll be making. This is the estimated budget of the video. And this is the actual budget. So let's just leave that. Location of the client. Inspiration is YouTube, email, and status. Is it in production or it's in post-production or is it pre-production or does it need client approval? And here are the asset files, the video files or the information that you're going to use in the videos. This will be presented right here. So this was about the video status. And here you have a video request form because I told you right here that there is another section of incoming video request. So this is the request form. Clients need to fill in this request form in order to send a request to us that they need us to make a video for them. Let's just wait. Here you go. This is the video request form. You need to write the name of the person that is requesting, request date, priority, what's the priority of the video, completion date, brief, budget, link to inspiration, and email. You need to fill this form and you need to submit. Or what we can also do is we can click on share form and we can copy link and share this form to our potential clients who want to work with us, who want to share videos with us, and we can share this form with them. Moving on, if we come here, this is our client directory. Here, we're going to write our potential client's name or existing client name, all their detail, client owner, the type of client, regarding enterprise or a small business or a medium business, their phone number, email, all the relevant information regarding the client will be written here. Video status, important files, share with them, status, and status as well. So this is the section for our clients. And here it's going to give us a pie chart as well. Amazing, amazing. I'm just amazed how beautifully detailed it is, the way it gave us a pie chart. And here it is written the type of clients that we have. Like we have 50% enterprise clients, 25% medium, and 25% small clients. Moving on, this is the video production process. This is the main table here. It's going to tell us how many videos are in pre-production, how many are in production, how many are in post-production. So we can sort the videos from right here. For example, we have 4 videos here in pre-production. So this is the video creative notes. We can assign an owner to it, status as well, and timeline as well, estimated budget spent, and asset files and link as well, and connected videos. So if we have any connected videos, we can post it right here as well. Same goes for this one, production and post-production. So once when a video is done from pre-production to post-production, you can drag it right here and it will be in it will be in production. And then once when the production is done, the shooting is done, then we can shift it here to post-production. So that's how easy it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.